Next one.
Hey, I'm Steve Vignante here with Pat McGinnis and Chris Carlson at the Mopars at the Strip event with a very bizarre 64 Dodge wagon, the Chupacabra. What is this?
The Chupacabra is a 1964 Dodge 330 station wagon converted into a two-door altered wheelbase.
The altered wheelbase thing is all about something that Dodge pioneered back in 64 and 5 by pushing the wheels under the body of the car. You get more traction on the rear tires, and as a result, better acceleration and better drag racing. Now, this car, you built this yourself?
We did, actually, Steve, and we altered the rear wheelbase 12 inches and the front 10, I believe. And we went with the 413 Cross Ram, 1964 Max Wedge, and what else we got on that? Push button transmission retained, of course, for racing, because it makes no sense.
The dial-a-winner. Also known as the dial-a-winner.
Push button torque flight transmission. Now, Chupacabra, what is that?
That's actually directly translated. It means the goat sucker, which is really awesome for us to race against GTOs, basically, and try and shut them down. But there's a lot of interpretation as to what Chupacabra is. It's a mythical beast to a lot of people, possibly an alien, like it suggested.
Next one. Again, we talked about it earlier.